Welcome. In this session, I'm going to explain about few concepts in e-commerce module. ASP.NET. It is an open source server-side web application framework and is developed by Microsoft to allow programmers to build websites, applications and services. One great feature of ASP.NET is web service. It means that you can have several pieces of your application on different servers all around the world. One of the most important goals of .NET is to allow developers to write ASP.NET application using multiple programming languages. And it uses HTTP commands and policies to set a browser to server communication. HTTP. It stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol and it is a text-based protocol. Web browsers send requests to web servers for images or web pages. After the request is serviced by a server, a new connection must be made for each request. So, this protocol is used to transfer data over the web. HTML. It is the most building block of the web. It defines the meaning and structure of web content. Hypertext refers to links that connect web pages to one another. It is used to create pages, nothing but electronic documents that are displayed on the World Wide Web. Every web page you see on the internet is written using HTML code. Without HTML, a browser would not know how to display text as elements or images. What is a web browser? A browser is a software application used to locate, retrieve, and display contents on the World Wide Web, including web pages, images, video, and other files. The browser is a client run on a computer or mobile device that contacts the web server and requests information. The web server sends the information back to the browser, which displays the results on the device. And these are the examples for browsers. What is a web page? It is a set of data or information which is designed to be viewed as a part of website. It can be accessed and displayed on a monitor or a mobile device through a web browser such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. Every web page corresponds to various types of information presented to the visitor in a visual and readable manner. Let's see the difference between HTML and ASP.NET. ASP stands for Active Server Page. It is a server-side language and it can be connected to the database. ASP.NET is used to develop web pages, where HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language and it is a client-side language, but it cannot be connected to database. It creates pages that are displayed on World Wide Web. ASP.NET built-in objects that make it easier for you to gather information sent with a browser request, to respond to the browser, and to store information about a particular user, such as user preferences. First, application object. It is used to store information among all users of a given application, and it stores information related to the entire web application. Second, request object. You can use request object to gain access to any information that is passed with HTTP request, and it includes forms and cookies. Third one, response object. It controls the information you send to a user and also includes sending information directly to the browser. It includes displaying content and redirecting request. Fourth one, session object. It stores information needed for a particular user session, including variables that exist for the lifetime of the session. Information stored in this object are not discarded when the user jumps between pages in the application. Fifth one, ASP error object. To know the information about an error condition, ASP error object is used. Sixth one, server object. It provides methods for various server tasks. With this, you can execute code and get error condition. Thank you.